How to model a knot in Maya. Start by dropping a pipe primitive in your scene. Go to the open input channel box or press T for the tool settings and set your height to 1, thickness to 0.3 and subdivision axis to 30. Switch to face mode, select every two faces, skipping 3 in between all the way around the ring. And set the scale tool to component mode and hold Shift plus Ctrl while dragging to slide these faces. Now switch to edge mode, select these edges and delete them. Grab the Insert Edge Loop tool. In the setting, select multiple edge loops and set the number to 2. Add edge loops into this section. Select these two edge loops and use Circularize Components to make a perfect circle. Select these edges, scale them down slightly on the y-axis, then select these faces and extrude them out. Finally, select these edges and apply a V-Bell. This gives us a nice and sharp highlights. And there you go, a clean professional knot ready for your hard surface kit.